I love this stuff. It's just a matter of how much I like these containers and will they really work? Are they really better than anything I have at home? I'm gonna go with the gingerbread. So this is a new one. Let's see, so we're gonna go for 60 grams. Smells so good. Yum. 60 grams. Half a cup of the applesauce. 1 egg white, 46 grams. And then it calls for 2 tablespoons of milk. I'm approximating that. I'm just gonna sprinkle. Just a few. This would have been really nice for Christmas. Is at 350 and they will bake for 15 to 20 minutes. I'll check it at 15 and we'll just see what they look like. I think it might change the cooking time because I'm in a different container. Okay, so I have both cakes in the oven. We did 1 blueberry and 1 gingerbread. As you can see, they are so easy to make. Literally, it's just the mix, some applesauce, some egg whites, and a splash of milk. So I do usually use an almond milk, but all I have is this rice milk for my husband today, so that is what I am using. Putting it away. Literally, you can just use whatever you happen to have. Now, what I am most interested in today is how well the cakes bake in these new containers, as well as how easily they clean when the cake is eaten. Because on my nice stoneware that is totally non-stick and nothing else sticks to it, these cakes are still pretty hard to clean out of there. There's just like this little bit of film that still happens to stay on there that just takes a little while to clean. So I'm just really hoping that these are gonna be a lot easier to clean. I do already know that I really enjoy these cakes, and that's because like even a made cake is still only like a half a meal for me. And what's cool is it says like the prepared portion. So like for the blueberry one, for example, is 290 calories, 6 fat, 29 carb, and 30 protein. So super great macros for my plan. And it's such a great way to get to have like a treat, and it really doesn't even have to be a treat. It can be a part of your normal routine. As you can see, I love this stuff so much. I got this. Cakes and weights. Ooh. I love this stuff. It's just a matter of how much I like these containers and will they really work? Are they really better than anything I have at home? Okay, so it's been 15 minutes. We're just gonna check and see what they look like. I don't think they're quite ready. Blueberry's almost ready. So we've got both cakes out. Blueberry, pretty obvious. Gingerbread, pretty obvious. Oh yeah, so I can instantly tell, and you would think that because, you know, they're silicone, but I just didn't know. Oh my gosh. The gingerbread is so good. And then what's cool too is that these come with the lids. And the lid is really great for when you just want to store it. They store for several days pretty well. And so once it's cool, then you can just throw it in the fridge and then have it another day. And of course, I always love to throw some Halo Top on top of a hot cake. Here's for the blueberry. It is so much like blueberry muffins. And what's great is I don't have to feel like I'm being naughty if I eat the whole thing at all. Do they clean well? Let me show you. So I think that's an obvious yes, which makes me so glad that I got 2 of them instead of just 1. That way I can just have more already made more often. And I'm super excited. If you've never gotten the Lil Buff protein cakes before, I highly, highly recommend, obviously. And I definitely would try to get the oven containers. I just wouldn't bother baking in anything else, these silicone ones, but especially, I much prefer the cakes cooked in the oven, so these are a complete must for me. I can't really think of any improvements to be made on these. There is one improvement that needs to be made by this company, however, and that is their shipping costs. I spent $64 on my last order and an additional $8 for shipping. And that is just absurd, especially for a company that's selling a protein powdered product. This needs to change. All right, back to closing statements. They're collapsible to take up less space when you store them. I'm a huge fan. I think you guys did a great job, Lil Buff. Yeah, good job. Love my sweatshirt, thank you. I'm so glad that I got it. Please comment below if you've ever tried these or if you think you're gonna try them. If you have any questions, I've been using these for a long time. I've done several flavors and I'm sure I can help you. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there with the little bell. I'll see you guys next time.
In the darkness, my shadows, they follow you like an accomplice. Lost